Hey, what's going on here? It's Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to cover my doTERRA LRP for the month of December. That's right, it's officially Christmas in December, not just because Christmas happens in December, but because opening these things, regardless of what month it is like Christmas. The dopamine release is unreal because although I did order stuff intentionally, sometimes I don't remember what I order, but opening this is all sorts of joy and excitement, from the bubble wrap to the sounds of opening it up. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I feel like sound effects would be really great. You got the bubble wrap. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Pop goes the weasel. Goes the weasel goes pop. All right. Well, that was exciting. Let's continue the excitement with what we got. Alright, so I got some doTERRA hand wash because I was running low in the kitchen and bathroom. The foaming hand wash, refill bottles, $1 a point. Great at cleaning your hands in a non-toxic green and very smooth foamy way when the dispenser, pops it out. But yeah, great solution for the bathroom and the kitchen, and I continue to use these. There we go. There we go. Oh, what's this? A wood ornament. Directions on the back. Here's what they look like. Alright, that's awesome. Cool. Yeah, awesome. Next we have, I get in twos like it's Noah's Ark up in here. But yeah, the enzymes, so these support your digestive health by breaking down fats, carbs, sugars, proteins, and fibers from cooked foods to make sure your body doesn't have to work as hard. Usually like to take one of these if my meal is 1/3 cooked, 2 of these if my meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 if the meal is completely cooked. And if it's completely cooked and a really large meal, then I might take 4, and the ideal time to take it is about 30 minutes before you eat, so you lay a nice bed of enzymes on your stomach layer, and then there you go, and eat the food that's cooked. And you can see the enzymes here. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Again, they're breaking down proteins and fats and carbs and sugars, and there also is a tummy tamer blend to support your digestion further. Boom, must have in the cabinets, and I use them every month. Next we have the PB Assist, which is the probiotics, as you can see here. Probiotic assistance. It also comes with a prebiotic, which feeds the probiotics. You can see them here. Boom. There you go. These are the beneficial microorganisms that support digestion and immune system, and they eat fiber. They love fiber from plant-based sources, and so this is what we are giving them. They already have a little bit in their capsule, but giving them other food sources from our food, and then they produce other awesome stuff for our body to keep us healthy. So yeah, it's a very symbiotic relationship with the beneficial microorganisms, and we want these to be about 10-to-1, good guys to bad guy ratio. So these help support that. Alright, what else we got here? Lifelong Vitality, the vegan version. Most popular product that doTERRA offers, the non-vegan version that is, but since I'm vegan I get the plant-based one. So we have the Microplex VMZ, which is whole food multivitamin and mineral. You can see all of the good stuff that's here, and then this fills in the gap from what's missing in the standard American diet, but also even if you eat really healthy, quote unquote, it's important to make sure we supplement, and so there's no gaps, and this is very important. And the absorption of what we take is very important, so plant-based sources is going to be key for that, and that's what this is. Next we have the VE Omega, so this is omegas 3, 6, and 9 essential fatty acids, missing in the standard American diet, but not missing in this supplement. And you can see some of the things they got here, maybe hard to see, but yeah, I mean there's some glare, but just know that there's essential fatty acids and some vitamins and minerals, and 9 essential oils up in here. That's right, it supports your brain, muscle, and joint health, and cellular health too. So there you go. Next, or lastly, of the 3 amigos, is the Alpha CRS Plus Natural Energy in a Bottle, and this is great because there's botanicals, plant-based extracts that support your energy without caffeine, without sugar. There's also the Tummy Tamer blend, which is also in the VMZ too. Didn't cover that, but just know this supports your digestion, supports your cells, the mitochondria specifically, which are like little engines of your cells, and these are a great natural source of energy. There you go. And then we have the V-Shake. This is for protein, for fiber. I use these in my green smoothies. A really great source of just helping you stay full and to support weight management, energy, digestion, especially when combined with a green smoothie. Always want to use a recipe so that you're not just making something that doesn't taste good, but it is good, it's healthy, affordable, all those good things. And this has more of a vanilla flavor, which I enjoy as well. Lastly, we have some products, and there was a free product of the month, there was a 200-point special, and I'm going to have all the details of what I paid for and what I got for free in the link in the description below, so you can check that out, this video. But let's just cover all the oils here and the ones that I know of. Alright, so this one is... Love that sound, just kind of keep... Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry. Then we have Clove. This was the free product of the month for any 125-point order. You see the supplement facts. This is one of the most highest antioxidant plants in the world. Specifically, the oil is really great for supporting cellular health. It's strong, you know, it's got some kick to it, but hey, it's awesome. I use it in my smoothies every once in a while. Yeah. Okay. Product of the month. Got it for free. Let's see what else we got. Yes, I got some tea tree or melaleuca as it was previously named. And this is great for skin health. And that's primarily what I use it as part of my facial regimen with the fractionated coconut oil. So yeah. Yeah. Love this stuff. This stuff is amazing. Next, we have some peppermints. Love this too. This is part of my skin regimen. I use these instead of mint and gum. Freshens breath, supports digestion, alertness, focus. I mean, this is just one of my go-to oils. I don't like running out of this. And you can see on the bottom, there is a code, batch number, which you can go to source2u.com and find out the GCMS test results. And if you have the ideal chemical constituent profile, you can see how doTERRA stacks up as well. And I do cover that in some other videos on how to compare companies, but also look at doTERRA and the transparency they provide with regards to their products and quality assurance. Hey, there you go. There you go. And then we have some more oils. Haha, we'll save the best for last. Well, what I think is the best anyways. Lemon. Whoa, here we go. Trying to get in the camera here. Lemon is very uplifting, it's very detoxifying. I use it in my green smoothies, my facial regimen to clean my hands. It softens the hands, it's so smooth. I love the smell, it's refreshing. I mean, there's just so many benefits of lemon. This and wild orange are probably some of my favorites. There's a difference between favorite and the best and top 3, 5, 10 oils, but it's like choosing your favorite child. If you have one, it's kind of hard, but you do have qualities that you like of each, and sometimes they are kind of better than the other ones in different ways. Alright, so there's that awesome one. And last but not least, because it's December, Christmas, frankincense, which was one of the oils given to the Christ child. Frankincense, gold, and myrrh. This is, you know, when in doubt, use frankincense. They say frankincense is the king of all the oils. I love Frank. Frank is great and supports cellular health. It supports, you know, your mood and supports a healthy inflammatory response. It's just got so many benefits that's why they say when in doubt, use frankincense, because it's awesome. And yeah, there's lots of ways you can take it. I've done videos on all the oils and products, so you can basically search the product name and then my full name, Lance McGowan, and you'll find how to use products. So that's out there for you on YouTube. But yeah, I mean, this is awesome. Love, love, love Frankie. Other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.